Hi everyone, it's the Canny Crafter. I am here to show you everything I made using, it was 4 or 5 sheets of the die cut negatives from the How to Use Craft Magazine freebies in a junk journal series. I have one left that I've just found when I tidied up, so I will be using that, but I thought I'll just show you. So some were made together, a lot I made off camera. I did use another Digital Collage Club set of images. I think there were seed packets. I don't know the specific name, but they will be linked down below. So I just was using up my scraps. This is a little flippy uppy, like so. Just absolutely gorgeous. Look at all the colours in that. This one, when I cut it out, it was a tag shape, so I thought let's just make it into a tag, and I stamped some little butterflies on there using my Stays On ink, because with this being such a shiny cardstock. So like I say, I think this one was made on camera, but it may not have been, who knows, I can't remember. So this was the, I think it's Vintage Flowers kit. Again, it will be linked down below. I was using up my glue book pages as well. I added an Edith Holden scrap. Just again, that's the seed packet, and if there was little bits left over from where I'd framed out, I was just using those as scraps. Again, more book pages can either be a side tuck or a belly band, or you could make it into a bookmark actually, now that I think of it. I just think it's gorgeous. So this could be made into a journal card if you back it. So see, just little bits that were left over, I've just cut up and used, and fussy cut some of the bits out of them. I actually have a pocket here. I love this. I think she was golfing. I think that was just one seed packet. I have this one, that's just the butterfly sounds went so beautifully, and I think that's a Digital Collage Club butterfly as well. This again, just stamped on it to give it a bit more interest. We have this little flippy outy, got all that journaling space, and I attached this so it would be like a little tab to hold that flip down. And with this paper, it was cracking, so I did have to add some washi tape. You could stick this down and make it a pocket, or you could add some paper there so you can journal on it. This one I used those Temu stamps that I was so excited about. I still love them. This was left over from one of these framed out images, and I just fussy cut it and added it to the background. You have this double pocketed journal card. This, it took us a while, but I found 3, I think it went this way, 3 seed packets in a row that were just framed beautifully by this. So you could either use this as a side tuck or a belly band on a page. Oh, again, a bookmark. I think we made this one together. Just look how simple that one is. I think this was the first one we made actually. Love it. Just love those stamps. Again, more seed packets. I don't know if we made this one on camera. I can't remember stamping on camera, but yeah. And then this one. I found the stamp didn't really want to go over those little bits, so I just got it. Where is it? lost it. A black colour manuscript. I think, I don't know what brand these are. Colour Creative. Yeah, just sort of doodled in a little bit. I think the nature of that stamp, you can do that. And I added some scripty stamp just to break it up. But yeah, so out of all of those, we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and we will have a 23rd one. Out of something I was very tempted to just throw away, but no, use them. They're gorgeous. So I hope this gives you some inspiration if you have a die cutting machine for using your own die cut negatives. Like, if you've seen my past videos, I always say I try to position my dies on the paper so that I can get a usable negative, because you can do things like this with them. I mean, these were just the perfect little frames. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.